Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating the oven to 350 degrees so baking time stays consistent. Next, cream 1/2 cup butter with 3/4 cup sugar until light. This traps air and gives lift. Add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon vanilla, then mix just until combined. Don't overwork the batter because gluten development makes cookies tough. Once done, scrape the bowl and inspect texture. Soft, slightly glossy, and spreadable. Make sure to use room temperature ingredients. That helps emulsification and even baking. Now you combine dry and wet components. Whisk 3/4 cups flour with 1/2 teaspoon baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon salt to distribute leavening. Fold the dry mix into the creamed base until there are no streaks. This gentle folding preserves air pockets. If you want texture, fold in nuts or oats rather than chocolate chips because those alter spread. Scoop roughly 1.5 tablespoons per cookie, placing dough on the sheet. Once scooped, chill for 10 to 20 minutes to stabilize fats and control spread. Bake for 9 to 12 minutes and watch for golden edges and centers that remain slightly soft. The cookies finish firming as they cool. After removing from oven, let them rest 5 minutes on the sheet so they set, then transfer to a rack to cool fully. If you find cookies spread too thin, 2 fixes work. Chill the dough longer or reduce butter by 1 tablespoon to decrease spread. If cookies are dry, bake a minute less next time and increase fat or add a teaspoon of milk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.